Kasi siguro ayun. Kaya siguro marami ring tao na reflectors dito kasi they always like can't make a decision. And then, depende dun sa community kung saan komportable sila, dun sila nagli-lean in. Yun. And a lot of yun. Pero, when you already understand that your authority comes from the cosmos, yun nga, so paano ba yun? Paano ba yun, Olera? Paano ko kukuha ng authority ko from the cosmos? You direct your intention from to the moon. You direct your intention to the cosmos and also to your environment. And if you're going to make major decisions, don't make it right away. It will be really important for you. And also the the closest people that you are with is going to affect you. Yon. So, it's really important for you to have healthy parameters and also healthy dynamics with the people that you're closest with. Those are reflectors. Ay ba?
All goods daw,
Oh,
salamat.
maraming salamat po, Tita Olera. Pagpalain po.
Ayan, balik tayo sa emotional. Ang dami nating emotionals. Oh my gosh, amazing.
Yun. So again, ang strategy, kung paano kayo strategy is basically kung paano kayo magre-react, magre-responde sa environment ninyo and also to other people. Authority is your power. Andito, dun mo makukuha yung decisions nyo. Okay, nakakuha ka ng signal. Parang ganito, nakakuha ka ng signal, di ba? Nasabi ko sa sarili ko kanina, sanali lang. Pwedeng mag-chat, Audrey, kasi hindi mo alam kung pwede ko ba ikwento. Pwede ko ba ikwento sa kanila yung kwento sa'yo kanina?
Ano ka ba? Tayo lang. Pwede yan, oo. I can vibe the ano. Yes, I'm using my projector energy. I can vibe, pwede.
Okay, para makita ninyo yung context, ganito kasi yun. Kanina grabe, masasabi ko na ang sarap-sarap nung araw at masasabi ko na nangyayari na rin siguro sa iba to. Kasi kanina, ito talaga yung ginawa namin. Nag-mushroom hunting kami dito sa Siargao. Marami kaming spots dito na pwede kang mag-hunt ng shrooms. And for me, I just wanted to do a shroom hunt para ma-experience ko lang by myself. Pumunta kami dito sa may Malinaw, tapos padiretso kami ng padiretso. Tapos naghahanap kami ng spot. Gusto na mag-give up nung kasama ko. Sabi ko, wag. Alam ko meron. Mushroom hunting. Oo. Sabi ko, hindi, alam ko meron. Dumiretso lang tayo ng dumiretso. Naulan na kami, nag-stop na kami. Gusto na niya mag-give up. Sabi niya, halika kain na lang tayo. Sabi ko, ayoko. Sabi ko, alam ko meron pa dyan, try natin. So sinabi ko pa lang. Hanggang sa sinunod ko lang na sinunod, tapos bigla na lang kaming lumiko. Sabi ko, ligo tayo dyan. Tapos sabi ko, ewan ko, parang may parang gusto ko pumunta dito. Halika nga punta tayo. Promise na wala na, parang akong parang mentally nawawalan ako ng pag-asa na meron pa nga talagang buhay na baka sa loob ng Siargao. Pero at the same time, sabi ko baka meron naman, imposibleng walang baka sa loob ng Siargao. Tapos, nung pagbaba ko doon, ang lalim-lalim ng binabaan namin, hala siya! Sabi ko, pagkita ko, my God, guys, ang dami. Ang daming tae na nandun. Lalabas siya 2 days from now. So, babalikan namin 2 days from now. Pero yun yung isa sa mga if you're using your own authority, hindi mo kailangan gamitin ng brains mo. Kailangan mo lang sundin yung feeling mo, ganyan. Ngayon, paano mo ba gagamitin yung mga authorities na yan? Kung ikaw emotional ka, sabihin ko pa lang. Okay. Alright. So, inner authority, ito yung kailangan mong sundin para sa ganun, tama yung maging decision-making process mo. Okay? Emotional, ibig sabihin yan, you have to wait first to die down strong emotions. Hindi ka pwedeng pag kailangan na natin 'to, gigil na ako. No. No, baby, don't. You have to wait for things to calm down and to settle down before you make a decision. Okay? Sacral, when you make a decision, it's a yes or a no. G, gusto mo ba pumunta ng Siargao? Ayan. Kita mo, nagumana na si Audrey. Yon. Sacral ka ba? Hindi emo ka eh. Kaya it
No
took you some
authority
time.
ako eh.
Emo ka eh. Agree
No
sa
authority.
sacral. Sino gusto pumunta ng Siargao? Sino gusto mag-workshop and mag-retreat sa Siargao? Ganun. Me. Ganon. Sino gusto mag-travel? Yes, walang in-between. Pag gusto mo yung tao, tapos eto malupit. Pag gusto mo yung tao, ayaw mo na paligaw. Tama ba? Okay. So, yon. Yes agad. Correct? Limitless daw, Siargao. Yeah. I'm waiting for a signal, Ken. I'm waiting for a signal. Okay. Tapos, splenic. Sino naman ang mga splenic dito?
Parang wala
Okay.
masyadong splenic. May salita ang splenic.
Yes, may sumapi.
Ako, splenic ako.
Wow.
Ay, pareho kami ni
Blessy is splenic. Mga
Kaya
ano
si
to,
Mapi
mga galing
splenic.
din NLP Hypnosis Philippines. Hello, NLP and Hypnosis Philippines Community Part 2. Ayan.
Ini-import ko na
Okay.
sila dito.
So, intuition. Nakakainis, di ba? Paano ko gamitin intuition ko? Hindi ko rin alam kasi hindi ko yung authority. You have to test. Yon. O, di ba? Pero alam ni Mapi kung nasa na intuition niya. Ako, akala ko intuition na nagde-decide for me. Hindi. Sacral. Parang ako, tsaka very body. Ang intuition ba? Mapi, can you share with us, pag ginagamit mo ang intuition mo, ayun. O, mga
Mararamdaman
splenic.
mo, mararamdaman, ay, mahirap siya explain eh. Parang, parang may bumubulong sa'yo, gano'n. May bumubulong sa'yo na, huwag mo na tuloy kasi pangit. Gano'n. Gano'n yung dating. Mararamdaman mo siya. So, tapos kapag yung masakit, pagka yung tipo, hindi mo sinunod yung intuition mo, babalik yun. Babalik yun sa'yo. Kasi minsan, di ba sinabi ko na sa'yo, huwag mong ituloy. Tinuloy mo pa din. Gaganunin ka. Kaya, very kami, intuitive.
Doon sa body signals, I just want to understand more because I'm also a student myself, right? When you say body signals, look at your charts. Say by example with Mapi. Ikaw vibe eh. So is your head and your ashna defined or undefined?
Teka, check to. Yung open, walang kulay, para naka-white. Tama ba? Oo, open yung pareho.
Okay. Yung ashna mo, open or closed?
Alin,
Yung ashna mo, open siya or closed?
Ay, saan ko makikita yun? I'm so sorry.
Ay, yung ashna yung inverted triangle.
Ito,
may
inverted
dot.
triangle.
Open
Okay.
din, parehong white. Oo.
Do you feel it in your body kapag may instinctive ka na hindi mo feel tong tao na to? Do you feel it somewhere in your body or usually parang hindi mo alam kung saan ang galing?
Ay, hindi. Hindi naman specific in the body. Pero alam mo na kagad kung mag-vibe kami or hindi. Gano'n na doon. Tapos pa ako, highly judging pa ako. So,
Judgmental ka pala, Mapi eh.
judgmental ako. I try not to be, pero it's kasama
Alam
siya.
ko na yung lusot mo dyan. Kasi it's my design eh.
Sorry.
Sorry, di ba?
I usually
Ayan.
just keep it to myself, gano'n. I don't really Kasi ano, di ba, may kasabihan tayo, when you judge other people, you get judged as well. So, sarilinin mo na lang.
True. Eto may
Wala
shinare si
sinabi.
Faith. Sabi niya, ako lagi
Okay.
ko po kinakalaban intuition ko. Kaya napapahamak ako lagi.
Okay,
Do you want to
tuloy
share
tayo.
about
See,
this,
okay, sa
Faith?
splenic,
Where are you, Faith? We have faith in you.
ano friend? Oo.
Ayun, hinanap ko pa kung saan i-open yung mic. Ayun,
Ayan.
hindi, ako active po kasi yung third eye ko. And sa ngayon, ini-explore ko pa siya, hindi pa totally ako aware sa ibang mga bagay-bagay. So, still studying din ako sa practice ko. So, madalas kasi na meron ako spirit guides, nakikita ko siya, naririnig ko siya, nagtatalo kami minsan kasi alam mo yung minsan na sabihin niya na huwag mong gawin yan kasi mapapahama ka, or example, scammer. Huwag kang mag-ano dyan kasi scammer yan. Eh, matigas ang ulo ko. Yung iniisip ko minsan na hindi ito gusto ko, ako masusunod. ayun, na-scam ako. Mga ganon na bagay na kagaya nun, minsan, ang init-init, tapos lalabas akong bahay, punta akong SM. Sabi niya, dala kang payong. Ayoko, ang init-init, ba't akong dala ng payong, nakakatamad magbitbit. Ayun, pag-uwi nun, pagkabot ng SM, di ako makauwi, di ako makasakay. Kasi, umuulan, ang lakas ng ulan. Yung parang sasabi niya, tigas kasi ng ulo mo. Mga ganon.
Do you talk to them? Or your
Yes po,
guide?
yes. Opo.
At
Thank
ano
you
lang
for
kami-
sharing, Faith, ha? Amazing na story.
Lagi po akong ano sa kanya, pag may mga decision ako na kailangan gawin na nahihirapan akong mag-decide sa sarili ko, humingi ako ng guidance sa kanya. And then, sometimes lang talaga may mga bagay na kapag sasabihin niya sa akin, o isasuggest niya sa akin, ako lang yung matigas ang ulo. Like, kagaya po ngayon, nagtatalo kami since Thursday pa. Pag nagtatalo ako, nagpe-pendulum ako, naging gano'n ang sinasabi niya. Kasi meron siyang pinapagawa sa akin na hindi ko kaya. Na sinasabi niya na, ang tagal na kitang, kasi matagal na po ako nasa practice na ginagabayan niya. So, yung tarot reading, natuto ako ng tarot reading. Sa kanya din, sa dream, kapag natutulog ako, para kung hindi natutulog, parang gising ako kasi nag-aaral ako sa kanya. Paggising ko naman, hindi naman ako nanghihina, hindi naman ako pagod, pero alam mo yung pakiramdam na parang hindi ka nagpahinga, hindi ka natulog kasi nag-aral ka. Kaya pagkagising ko, lagi akong take down notes, ganyan, kasi kukulitin niya ako. Sasabihin niya, makakalimutan mo yan, magsulat ka sa notes mo. Ganun siya. Then, mga ganon, meron siyang pinapagawa sa akin na ang tagal na kitang sinanay dyan, ngayon handa ka na, kailangan mo ng wag kang, kumbaga sinasabi niya, ayun, since andito na rin tayo siguro, hindi ito coincidence na napunta ako dito. Join ako dito para makapaghingi ng advice sa inyo din siguro. Kasi, matagal na niya akong sinasanay, pero sinasabi niya na wag akong matakot sa ability na sinanay niya sa akin, sa kakayanan na sinanay niya sa akin. Pero, ang hindi ako nag-aalinlangan sa ability na kaya kong gawin. Ang natatakot kasi ako is sa basher. Gusto niya akong mag-in public. Parang kagaya nyo na naglalay. Ako kasi hindi. Meron akong mga students pero we are in private. Hindi kami yung parang voice out. Parang example, LGBT. So, let's say, para akong bakla na takot ilantad sa mundo yung totoong pagkatao. So, parang ganun ako.
Okay. Oo. Faith ba to?
Natatakot.
Si Faith to? Sino tong
Opo.
kausap ko?
Yes, si Faith. Si
Leslie?
Faith na pasaway sa intuition niya.
Natatakot kasi ako na,
Love, sino to?
kasi karamihan
May
kasi sana,
May love pa post ng ano mo, ng chart mo. Kasi, baka hindi naman necessarily kailangan ikaw yung gumawa.
Yeah, pwede.
Yun. Diba?
meron
Kung
kasi,
generator ka,
Ano
Nagsimula
ka,
po
Faith?
kasi yun,
Faith, ano ka?
Scorpio.
Hindi,
Hindi,
I
may
mean,
anong
ano ka? Manifesting, generator, projector, o ano?
Hindi ko po alam, hindi ko masyadong nasundan kasi ngayon lang nagkaroon ng
Baka
something.
hindi ka pinag-take ng test.
Oh, punta ka
Nag-take ka
dito,
na
my
ng test.
love. Punta ka sa Human Design Chart.
Yan. Take
.com.
mo muna yung test.
Tapos post mo dito. Kasi
Yan.
tulungan na
Tapos
lang.
tsaka mo kami balikan.
Alam mo ba, sa totoo lang, maraming tao ang gustong makausap ng ganyan ka-deep ang spirit guides nila. Niwala ka. Maraming tao yung nag-aaral pa. Nagme-meditate, 3, 2, 1 oras kada
Natutulog
isang
lang
araw.
eh.
Makonect na lang.
Sobrang normal
Teka,
lang. Ano?
parang bumagsak na lang sa'yo, friend. Ayaw mo pa. Pero okay lang.
Kusa
May kanya.
sa akin eh. Kusa lang siya talaga na
Ayun.
ganun. Wala akong ginagawa.
Oo. So, di ba? So, yung iba, ang dami-daming proseso, tumambling na. Nagsayaw na sa baklaran, ganyan. Di ba? So, uminom na kung ano-ano. Hindi pa rin lumalabas. Yung mga spirit guides nila, ikaw ba? Bigla na lang. Pero
Kaya
it
nga,
usually happens.
amazing. Ano? Ay, eto sis,
Oo.
meron tayong another question. Sabi niya, ano po yung grabe yung kabog ng dibdib if something good is happening or about to, and yung unang pumapasok ko most of the time, totoo. So, intuitive din siya. Pero kumakabog daw yung dibdib niya.
Oo, kaya lang, tinginan mo pa rin yung design. I would say, at least for now, this answer might change later. Pero sa ngayon kasi, at least I used to design as a guide, as a map. Ano bang, authority mo, my love? Sino yung nagtanong?
Yung nagtanong, ayaw pa niyang magpasabi eh. Dinirect message niya lang sa akin kasi shy daw siya.
Oh,
So, yun,
tignan mo na,
darling.
siguro kung gusto mo i-share.
Ayun,
I-share mo
yun
na
daw.
Oo. Ano daw?
Hindi pa siya sumasagot eh. Pero
It's
yeah.
okay. If you
Che-check niya
don't
pa daw.
share the class, yung design nyo, okay lang. Share it personally or DM Miss Audrey para she can see and look at your charts and she can help me kung ano yung type nyo, ganyan. Kasi hindi pa tayo pumapasok sa malalim eh.
Oo. Send yun na lang sa akin guys or kay ano. Actually ako medyo alam ko rin naman pero pag may mga malalim na, ipapasa ko na kayo kay Olera. Pag yung mga
Yun.
surface level knowledge lang, medyo alam ko pa yan. Pero pag mga malalalim na, sige, Olera, back to you.
Ikaw uli, pasa bola. Ganon, di ba? So, ang G naman is identity. Ego. Okay, mamaya makikita ninyo. Mental, so ego. Kumbaga, I get my authority, I get my from my ego, from my identity. Nanay ako. I get my authority from being a nanay. Pero maraming nami-misuse niyan, FYI. So if that's not your authority, don't even follow it. Kung hindi sa pagiging ego, kunyari, ako, I've got kids, right? Pero I don't get my authority or I don't get ako, nanay ako, kailangan ganito. Hindi. Kasi I've never relied on my identity in order for me to see kung sino talaga ako. So mga walang G's dyan, yun. Ay, more or less, ginagamit ko rin pero hindi yun. Mental or none. Bakit none yan? Dapat adj na yan. Mental, eto ginagamit ninyo. You make decisions or your authority comes from, number 1, planning, designing, and your adj na comes from, your authority comes from certainty. If your head and your adj na, if your head is defined, it's more of design, planning, seeing things, ganito. If your adj na is defined, it's more of you want certainty. Kailangan sure ka. Ganun. Pag lunar, eto nga, reflectors, wala ka talagang authority. Hindi mo ginagamit yung parts, yung energies that comes through your body in order for you to make your decisions. You look around. You
Ako yan.
observe.
Non-authority ako.
Ganon. Diba? You feel the energy. Ganon. Okay, so me given the chance to work, okay? Nga pala, hindi ko pala napakilala yung sarili ko. What I also do is I help heal people. I've already given some, so I work in energy healing. You know, I use my hands to be able to see. Pero I'm going deeper into that too. Ngayon, ano ba ang relation ng authority tsaka ng body? Halimbawa, ng centers tsaka ng body. Ang head, hypothalamus. Okay. Pressure to think, inquire, explore, inspiration, mental anxiety. Ibig sabihin, if you want to write it down, please, if you want. If you don't, it's okay too. If your head is undefined and you're pressuring yourself to think and inquire, nagkakaroon kayo ng anxiety. Kasi it's not yourself. Pero for normal head people that keeps on thinking all the time, pag ang head ninyo defined, closed, the pressure to think is normal. It's okay. Inquiring, exploring, getting inspiration, yun. But you also get anxiety as well. Ajna, pituitary gland. Ibig sabihin, if you're not on yourself and then you're trying to use your heads, ang una mahihit niyan, hypothalamus. Pag ang ajna, hindi defined, tapos ginagamit or tinatry ninyong gamitin yung power ng ajna, pituitary gland yung una mahihit, energetically. Pero pag ginagamit nyo siya and it's close and defined, you will see awareness of conceptual thinking, opinions, analysis, structuring, visualization. Ay, Diyos ko, wala ako niyan. Yan. So throat. Oh my God. The speakers of the world. Oh my goodness. Thyroid gland. Ibig sabihin, ito yan because I am a throat center defined. Ibig sabihin, if your throat, nakikita ninyo minsan, may mga taong parang hindi nahihiya, tapos parang lagi nilang hindi masabi yung kailangan nilang sabihin. Makikita ninyo dito, sa ganito nila, nananaba. Namamaga. Tapos ang mahihit na energetically, kasi hindi nagagamit ng tama yung energy, parang nasa stuck dito, ang nangyayari, nagkakaroon ng thyroid problem. Naoperahan sa thyroid, may hyperthyroidism or may hypothyroidism. And usually ang nangyayari, I'm just gonna give this to you as additional value if that is something that's happening in your family, hindi kayo pinag-express, you have to find other ways in order for you to express your truth. Otherwise, yun yung nangyayari. Pero realizations of actions, manifestations, communication, speaking, self-expression, yun. And unique self-expression. So in the way, kailangan mo ipalabas yung energy in your own way para ma-express mo yung sarili mo in your own way. Okay, G. The heart, blood and liver. Identity, love, direction. If you have G center defined, you have to allow yourself to have your identity, your love, your direction. Alam mo, feeling ko malito identity na to. Dapat lumipat to dito. Anyway, the magnetic monopole, the compass, your heart. Ngayon, ang ma-weirdan kayo kasi minsan yung ibang tao, hindi ko naman alam ko saan yung heart ko eh. Hindi ko ginagamit. Yung pala undefined ang heart. So you see, kahit yung mga tinuturo on the old times, pwedeng hindi na ngayon nag-a-apply kasi nga, depende kung anong design mo. Right? But when your heart is defined, allow yourself to feel that love in your heart. If you stop it, unang mahihit is blood liver. Now, ego, heart, gallbladder, stomach, thymus gland. The engine for willpower. pag defined yan, pwede mo gamitin yan as your engine for willpower, self-esteem, loyalty, courage, commitment, material plane. Sabi ko nga, niloloko lang kayo ha. Ito, niloloko ko lang kayo. Pag yung tao walang ego, hindi yan loyal. Joke! Joke lang yan. So,
Natawa ko dun parang shit, wala na
Solar-
ego.
basically, binabasa ko na lang to. Copy, screenshot nyo na lang if you want. Yon. Okay. So, next. 9 centers. Ganito nyo gagamitin. The head is pressure center inspiration. If your head is defined, use that for inspiration. If your head is undefined, don't use your head as your inspiration. Or if your head is not your authority, then don't use that as your inspiration. Use something else. Ajna, awareness center conceptualization. Ibig sabihin, if your ajna is defined, you can conceptualize. Give yourself the time to conceptualize. It's okay. It's your design. Throat. For that, manifestation, speaking, and doing. Now, for those people, halimbawa, practical use, wala kang head, wala kang ajna, parehong open yan, pero may throat ka, magsalita ka na lang agad. Gawin mo na lang agad. Huwag ka na mag-plan. That worked for me. Pag may kailangan akong gawin, hindi na ako nagpa-plan, ginagawa ko na lang. Mas mabilis yung movement. Ang bilis nun, para ka nag-ride bigla sa wave. Ano pa ba? G, self, love, direction. If you have your G and if your G is defined, you will have a more definite understanding of yourself. And minsan, makikita nyo na lang in the next coming days or weeks or months, kasi yung iba dito bago pa lang, pag na-define nyo yung deep G ninyo, na-define nyo yung self ninyo, bigla na lang magda-download. Kasi nadadaanan na yung energy From the cosmos, nadadaanan na yan ng energy, tapos pinapasukan na kayo ng downloads Tapos makita nyo, ito pala ibig sabihin nun. Kaya it's really important for you to have defined G. It's really important for you to understand HD at kung ano yung definitions ninyo. Tapos doon kayo doon kayo bumangko. Heart, motor center, ego, and willpower. Okay? So, if you have a defined heart, use that as your willpower. Kasi doon kayo dadaanan ng energy. Solar plexus, motor awareness center, and emotional wave. Sacral is motor center. So again, for those people, sacral ninyo yung motor ninyo, ibig sabihin, you have the life force. Di kayo naubusan ng battery. And, kayo rin yung mga highly sexual people. So, yan, yung mga defined sacral. Alright. Okay lang yan. Gusto nyo ba pag-usapan? Gawa tayo ng ibang room. Okay, so, spleen, awareness center, immune system, nawala, and intuition. So if your intuition is good and you're using your intuition good and you're using your spleen well, your immune system will also be good. All right? And then lastly, root, pressure center, motor, adrenaline, and stress. Andyan lahat ng pressure. Okay, so for definition types, maybe that will be the last of this hour or of this session, right? Pag sinabi mong single definition, guys, ibig sabihin, you can function, sinong pong thyroid something, sorry, alin pong highly sexual, sacral, oo, sacral defined. Tama si Ma'am Shi. Aba, natututo.
Maghahanap ata si Mapi ng sacral defined. Oh, mag-check ka na yung sign. Check mo na ako sacral defined ka.
Yes!
Curious lang.
Wait, sign mo, yung pala yung lang tinignan.
Sacral defined. Kaya pala, nagets ko na. O, di ba? Alive sila after ng sacral defined.
Grabe. Ayan. Marami naman kayong napupulot. Say yes in the contact, in the chat
Ayan, guys,
box kung marami kayong
Ano
napupulot,
kayo,
guys.
before we proceed, kumusta muna ang inyong mga kalagayan? Yes, yes. Ba't sila nag-yes? Yes. Okay, yes.
Kung
Nagets ko
marami
na.
silang natututunan, say
Oo.
yes.
Alive na alive pa sila. Yes, Blessy, Melay, hello. Hello mga ma'am, si Crystal Joy. Alam nyo guys, share ko lang ha, matagal ko na talagang dream sa community na magkaroon ng mga sessions na ganito. Before pa, nung 2020 pa, it's just that wala akong someone who would help me with that vision. Tapos parang sabi ko, hala, parang si Olera na ata yung isa ko. At least meron akong kabady, I guess, isa. Kasi sobrang happy ko. Kasi talagang
Ako din.
dream ko na talaga na mangyari dun sa community is not just, alam mo yun, nandito ako para bumili ng kristal, tapos okay na, parang magsasariling buhay na ako, parang tapos na. Kumbaga, ayoko kasi matapos siya dun lang. Parang, I want the community to serve as a space or a platform wherein together we will discover ourselves. We can really, alam mo yun, ascend as, alam mo yun, as human beings, na ako habang nag-aaral ako, nasi-share ko rin yung knowledge ko sa kanila. And it's very exciting kasi everyone is, nafe-feel ko yung hungry vibes ng mga tao right now na they are very, very open to new learnings, to new modalities na mga ganito. And I'm so excited kasi very, very active lahat, very participative. And yeah, lahat, o di ba? More on no defined center, please. Ayan, o di ba? So, yun, proceed tayo, Miss Olera. Meron tayong 4 definition types. Yan. Thank you, Ma'am Odd, sharing to us. Yan. You're welcome po, share. Thank you din po sa pagbibigay ng time actually kasi kanina ang dami naming technical difficulties pero you're still there guys, very active and alive and yeah, more like this. Yes. So umpisa na to guys, I can really feel this. We are going to travel into different planes, different dimensions together. Yan. Excited ako
Rot.
dyan.
Oo, as in, ginamit
Ayun.
mo Audrey, I really see na ginamit mo intuitively, or I don't know the right word for that, but you use whatever you can in order for you to be able to, yun nga, as a projector, projectors do have the capacity to be able to pull people in. It's one of their gifts. It's one of your gifts, o di ba? Tapos,
Oo, sabi
so
nga
that's
daw
what,
nila. Hala,
Times nawala si
Olera.
Olera. Oo.
Olera, where are you? Dinigop
Disconnect
na lang
ata.
yung dimension si Olera. Oh my gosh. Ayan. Ayan, bumabalik. Ma'am, balik po tayo sa Earth.
Nag-reincarnate na. Oo, si Olera. Ayan na.
hallelujah. Joke.
Welcome back, madam, sa Earth.
Hi, madam. Hi, Sir Ken. Okay, guys. Okay, so ako kasi ang heart ko is really to help everyone get higher, have a higher consciousness. Kumbaga, because the higher consciousness is not about, the money, it's not about that. It's about the oh my God, ang sarap ng buhay. Sobrang simple. At the same time, it's also exciting. Andun yung parang excitement of what's about to come. And I just want to share that joy, Just this afternoon too, 'di ba, pauwi na kami. Nakita na namin yung mushroom field, 'di ba? Pagkatapos nun, biglang umulan. Sabi ko, alam mo, meron akong tinitignan dito, meron yung malapit sa may tinitignan ako malapit dito na river. Sabi ko, Saan kaya yun? Tapos paglingon ko, doon ko nakita kasi ang liit ng gate. Alam ko na resort yun, pero ang liit ng gate niya. Noong papunta kami, hindi ko nakita yung gate. Pero nung pauwi na kami, nakita ko yung to. Pumunta kami sa loob ng resort kasi alam ko yung itsura. Tapos hindi niya alam na, alam mo yung gusto na lang niya umuwi. Hindi naman gusto niya umuwi, pero sumusunod naman sa akin. Pero sabi ko, sige, sige, tara. Pagkita niya, isipin yun, naglakad kami mahaba. Tapos, pagtingin niya, entry niya dun sa resort, may isang pababa, tapos river. Tapos wala kaming ginawa dun, hindi namin pinlano. Nag-meditate kami, nagsayaw kami. Alam mo yun, bigla na lang siya nagpatugtog. Tapos maya-maya, upo na siya, nag-meditate. Eh guys, isipin nyo yun. Sa totoo lang, nilagay ko na sa universe yun. Sabi ko, alam mo, gusto ko minsan makameditate tong taong to. Nilagay ko na rin sa universe, alam mo, minsan gusto ko rin maka-breathwork tong tao na to. Paano ko kaya sasabihin? Pero wag ka. Hindi na niya na-pick up na lang niya, siya na yung nag-initiate. Kaya sabi ko, Lord, thank you. Parang, my God, universe, thank you. Isipin niyo yung mga ganon na synchronicity na minsan napipick up na lang nila yung ginagawa ninyo. Diba? Ang dali ng buhay. Tapos parang feeling ninyo, kapag binigay na yun, hindi nyo hiningi. Iniregalo sa inyo. Sinabi nyo lang sa isip ninyo. Isn't that nice? Diba? So, yun. Anyway, yan. Thank you sa commercial. Okay. Share ulit tayo ng screen. Last na to. Okay kayo dyan? Last na to ha. Single, define, triple, and quadruple. Napakadaling intindihin. Ibig sabihin ng mga single people, mali. Single definition people, hindi nyo kailangan ng aura in order for you to function. Ng ibang aura or ng ibang tao. Let me use it on a practical way for freelancers. When you are single, definition, you don't need another person in order for you to be able to function. Kaya ninyo gawin yan all alone. Split definitions would need at least one aura. That's why you go to a coffee shop. That's why you go to a restaurant. That's why you go somewhere na may naano kayo. Bakit? Ang definitions ninyo, ito, tsaka to. Ibig sabihin, hindi sila nakag-connecta. Dalawa yan, split yung definitions ninyo. And you need another aura in order for you to have your definitions connected together. Triple definitions, ibig sabihin, marami kayong connections. So you need at least 3 people in your aura. Kasi bakit ang single, ikaw lang yan. Pag split, ibig sabihin, one is you need it or you are getting it from someone else. Triple definition, it means to say you need at least 3. Need at least 2 more people in your life. Alright? Or at least may dalawa kayong hinuhugutan ng energy as your function because it will help you function better. Quadruple, of course, you need 3 more. Right? This is something na shinare sa akin ng friend ko. Her husband is a triple definition. And she had nagkaroon siya ng, oh my God, he cheated on me. Sabi ko, tapos nakita na, it was way back ago na forgive na niya. Pero nung nakita namin, ang definition niya is a triple definition. Sabi ko, hindi kaya, dahil triple definition siya, he wasn't really meant to cheat. He was only looking for another connection kasi 3 yung definitions niya sa sarili niya. I'm not saying cheating is right. I'm also not saying whether it's right or wrong, it will be dependent. Alam mo yon? Pero, baka talagang hindi kasi niya kilala yung sarili niya. So, wala siyang ibang way was to think na ito, cheating na wala, mag-cheat na lang siya. Kasi, iba kasi yung influensya ng ibang tao, yung mga constructs that we have here in this world na okay, kailangan pag kayong dalawa lang, wala na kayong ibang mundo, kayong dalawa na lang. Minsan hindi kasi yung nag-work with other designs. Like by example, I'm a 6'2", I'm a role model hermit. Ay hindi, yung definitions ko. I am okay with the guy na hindi ko kasama sa bahay, na may sarili siyang mundo, na nagkikita lang kami once in a while. Pero pag nagkita kami, masarap. Yun. Pero it took me a while for me to learn that. May mga ganun kasi, and that's through your experimentation. Okay, yan. As I promised, you get the basic, pero I know you didn't just get the basic, I hope you got a lot. O, di ba? How to pinpoint your true definition. Depende sa chart mo, my love. Send me your chart, I'll be able to read. Or but if you want professional, if you want like an in-depth reading, kasi in our community, we do reads as well to help you out. Kasi ang dami nito eh. And to be perfectly honest, hindi lahat to gagamitin nyo. So, say by example for me, because I also have splenic, I can use and tap into my intuition in order for me to be able to help you out. What I do is I read your design, I see your situation, and then maghahanap tayo ng practical and also human design answers and advices that is in line with where you are right now and what your design is. So we'll talk about that later. Okay, so yes, questions and answers. Maybe si Miss Audrey ang magde-decide ilan ang gusto niyang ipasok sa floor para magtanong. And ayun.
Natutulala ako kasi may pinaprocess ako sa utak ko. Sorry na.
Sige, ka na lang.
Okay, thank you, Ken. Sige. Okay, pinasa na daw sa akin ni Ken ang corona. Okay, guys, it's your time to shine. Alam ko marami kayong katanungan sa buhay. Ayan. Ako sige, ako muna. Hindi, what advice do you have for reflectors na walang definition? Ayan, yun daw ang una. Nauna na si Miss Krish. What advance ba to o advice? Feeling ko advice dapat to.
Advice yan,
Na-assume ko lang.
autocorrect lang.
Advice nga. Advice. Akala ko nag-assume lang. Ayan. Sige, yun muna tayo. Tapos ang next is, anong ibig sabihin ng regal authority figure? Sa profile na to, no, Mapi? Profile na to feeling ko. Hindi natin na-touch yan eh. Ayan, same daw si
Legal
Krish at si
authority.
Ken na no definition.
Wait, sige,
Ayan.
isa-isa
Ano
muna.
daw,
Same kami reflector, no definition. Okay.
ano daw advice sa no definition?
Imagine ninyo lahat kayo open. Wala kayong definition. Ibig sabihin, hindi nyo nakukuha yung kung sino kayo from a certain center in your body. To expand on that, it means to say na, paano ba? Life in a deep level. Lunars kayo eh. You experience life in a deep level. Plus, at the same time, isipin ninyo kung 9 centers ninyo hindi defined, nakukuha ninyo yung information from your environment, from people, from all of that. But you also majorly get your insights. Let's just put it that way. You get your insights from, well, first assessing your environment. That's why medyo matagal din kayong mag-decide. Generally, for reflectors, I don't like generalizations, pero sige. But at the same time, you experience life in a deep level, probably not as deep as the rest of us. And then, you have the energy na ready na to attune and reflect whatever is happening in your environment. Kasi nga, tipin nyo to, lahat kayo nakukuha nyo yung information, right? Habang nakukuha nyo yung information, you are already picking up parang ini-integrate ninyo, tapos ina-analyze ninyo, ina-alchemize ninyo the information that you're getting from the environment, and then you are pushing it out. Parang may sense ba? That's why you're reflecting. Ito ba nangyayari sa ganitong community, sa crystals and rituals? Okay, I'm reflecting that. Ito ba nangyayari dito sa community ni Rendon Labrador, whatever. Yon, being adaptive. True. And that is true because I know Ken na for a very long time. Matagal na siyang ganyan. Nag-ano siya, para siya may pagka-chameleon-ish. Di ba, Ken? Yon. Yun yung mga ano, kasi nga, so ganon. Yon. Para kayo may pagka-chameleon. Eto kayo, tas ganyan, tas ganyan. Parang ito ang kulay dito, pula. O, ayan, ganyan kayo. Dito ang kulay dito, dilaw. O, nagiging dilaw rin kayo. Dito ang kulay dito, alam mo yon, white. Nagre-reflect nyo. Na, parang binabalik nyo sa kanila. Ito ba yung ano? Sige, ibabalik ko rin. So, ano. Salamat, sir. Okay, yon. Question and answers. Number 2.
Ano daw yung regal authority figure? Ibig sabihin, feeling ko profile na to eh. Profile na ata to, Mapi.
Oo,
Oo.
profile na yan. Hindi ko kasi may
Malayo na tayo, Mapi.
sorry.
Biglang ganun eh.
Pero siguro ang ibibigay ko or ibabagsak ko sa inyo. Pero Mapi, if you have any questions, siguro i-DM mo na lang ako kasi medyo malalim yun. Pero
Okay.
oo. Pero ang 6'2" mo, kunyari 5'1", 5'4", 2'1", ganyan. Yung unang number conscious yun. Yung pangalawang number unconscious. So kapag nagbabasa na kami ng maps ninyo, nalalaman namin kung saan kayo nagpa-function as conscious and unconscious. And maybe ni Ken. Because dahil si Ken ang nag-sponsor sa atin, thank you Ken Somnera for sponsoring us for tonight's 6'2" is like this, role model hermit. Now, ang role model hermit has a 3 tatlong season sa life niya. Okay? Ken
Naku, nawala ulit yung sound.
Madam, wala kang audio.
years for role models is
Yan,
going
balik.
on your conscious is going to be chaotic, magulo, wala talaga. Para kayong nagtitest na hindi nyo alam kung ano nangyayari, ano ba to, kailan ba matatapos to. Tapos, for, what do you call that? Kasi ang Saturn ninyo palabas pa lang, Saturn exit. Nakalimutan ko yung exact word pero Saturn exit. Now, from 30 to 50 years old, when you come back, it's from 20 to 50, 30 to 50 years old, it's your Saturn return. It means to say this is the time in your life that you're already in, parang nag-observe na kayo, parang mas naiintindihan nyo na kung ano nangyayari sa buhay, may mga opportunity na mas nag-make sense, ganyan. And starting to learn more about yourself and becoming more real about who you really are. And when that happens, it's either you become more real, kung sino ka talaga, kung sino yung komportable kang maging, tapos, ngayon, or you become your not self. Ano ba ang not self? Hindi ikaw ang sarili mo. Wala ka sa sarili. Ganun. Yun lang ang ibig sabihin ng not self. Wala ka sa sarili mo. Hindi ka sarili mo. Kapag hindi ka sarili mo, tapos pumalo ka na ng 50, it will be a false self. Mayabang, trying to find, Pero, kapag nasa Saturn return ka, tapos bumalik ka na dun sa part na, okay, nakagets ko na kung sino ako. Tapos mo yun, unti-unti na build kung sino ka. By the time na mag 50 years old ka na, you are already a role model. Dun talaga ikaw tsaka ako, dun tayo papalo. Wag na, hindi ko alam, mo yun, kaya hindi na ako nagtatry. Tatry ko yun. Wala. I just become me. Yun din ang maganda with 6'2". You just become you. Ikaw lang. Gawin mo lang kung sino ka. Whether or not walang nakakasita, whether or not may nakakaalam, basta gawin mo lang kung sino ka. Those are role models. Hindi disadvantage kung mas marami yung undefined rather defined. To be perfectly honest, kung ang dami kong defined, nalito ako, friend. Oo, lahat ng defined ko defined. Isipin mo yun saan ko hinahanap. Minsan may intuition ako, minsan may ego ako, minsan may ganito ako, hindi ko alam. Nalito ako, friend. Kaya siguro yun din nangyari, kaya 6'2" model ako, role model hermit ako eh. Kasi, ano, dekada hinintay ko bago ko makita to. Buti nga nakita ko nga itong human design. Okay. Sige na nga, magbasa tayo konti. Pero makikita nyo rin to, Google nyo lang. Pero if you really want a good read, para kasi, paano nyo to magagamit? Sa akin kasi ang goal ko is, how do you use this in your current situation right now? Kasi if I just do a general reading, hindi rin siya makakatulong. Right?
Agree.
Pero you can read, you can check on Google.
Ayan, nawala ulit si Madam. Nilamon ulit siya ng nilamon ulit siya ng universe. Miss Olera, nawawala ka. Ay guys, so I would take this opportunity habang wala si Miss Olera to say thank you sa mga nandito. Ayan, talagang hanggang dulo nandito kayo guys. Ayan na, bumalik na si Miss Olera. Welcome back!
Galing nyo
Ayan.
guys. As in,
Diba?
hungry for, yeah, di ba? My love.
Oo.
Hungry yourself. And I guess it's about ay. Share ko na ba? Okay, share screen. Yan. Okay. And so, dumating today.
Yan.
We have a special gift for you. All right? Please, yon. Mag-share kami. Please, if you are open to it, we'll share you a couple of books that you can start your human design journey. Okay? Right? And at the same time, sorry, hindi ko na nakasagot kanina kasi tinatapos ko presentation. Pero ganito, usually, meron kaming dalawang trainings. There is a 4-hour training and there is also a full day, 8 to 10 hours. We'll start with the 4-hour training. All right? And it will help you read human designs for you, for your family, for your friends, ganyan. Our goal in Human Design Philippines is to help Filipinos spread the word. Because question, siguro magbibigay ako. So, for those who want to get the books, and Miss Audrey, your email address and or your phone number para masendan namin kayo nung mga books na meron kami. We're gonna give anywhere between 3 to 5 books. Should be good for now. We don't want to anong tawag dito? Overwhelm you. Okay? Ngayon, for those who are asking, how much is the human design? Here's a good part. Usually, for the 4-hour training, it's 5,000 pesos. Pero, because you attended human design training or orientation and introduction with us right now, we're gonna give you 1,000 pesos off from that. Only if you make a deposit right now of 500 pesos at Audrey, okay lang ba account mo na?
Sige sa akin na at sanay na sila sa akin.
Yeah. At Miss Audrey's number. So, instead of that, ulitin ko, 4,000 na lang siya. Hindi na siya 5,000. And if you deposit right now within the next 5 to 10 minutes, kung yun nga, mag-deposit kayo na at least 500 pesos. Now, the human design training is going to happen within 2 to 3 weeks from now. We're going to finalize it with Miss Audrey. All right? That's a lot. So, if you are interested to learn more about human design and also help other people, and probably for some people, they say, oh my God, this can help my business. If I know and I understand the clients that I'm going to be working with, it's going to help me and also my clients. Some people are already adding the human design factor in their offers as well. So if you are interested to go deeper with us in this stage 1, we are happy to give you for only 4,000 pesos. Okay ba?
Wow.
Ayun.
Wow, yes. Sige, mag-deposit na rin ako sa sarili ko.
Ano yung GCash daw, madam? Ano daw
Ay,
po
ako
yung
pala.
Oh my
Sorry.
love.
Ay, wait lang, type ko. Guys, palagay. Hindi, guys, pa-send ng screenshot
Usually, it should be on a Saturday as well. Para
para alam ko kung bayad sa HD.
oo. So yes, you can sign up for the books. Just give us your email and your phone number so that yes.
Bali guys, ganito na lang. After na lang ng live, gawa na lang ako ng Google form para organized siya. Tapos, on that Google form, you will put your email, your whatsoever. Tapos, doon ko na lang din ilalagay yung, kung saan nyo ilalagay yung screenshot para doon sa deposit. Ayan, para organized tayo. Tapos, yung is, give ko na lang kay Olen. Guys, sobrang okay na kasi mag-down lang tayo ng 500. Tapos, magagawa naman natin for sure ng paraan for the next 2 to 3 weeks yung remaining yan. So, can I ask where to inquire for deeper readings? So, magpaparead naman daw si Miss No. Kay Olara din po, if ever. Ayan. So, add
Yes.
nyo lang po siya sa Facebook or i-message nyo po siya, ganyan. So,
Yes. And the
ayun.
good thing is usually the readings are ranging from 3 to 5,000 depende sa kung ano yung kailangan. So readings only for yourself is 3,500, 5,000 for if you want to read it na okay, eto ako, eto partner ko, o eto nanay ko, you know. So ano yung relationship namin or tsaka eto yung future potential eme ko, o 'di ba? So 5K yun. Pero again, because you stayed here until this time, we're going to give 30% off in our readings only for this time. Again, just let Miss Audrey, let me know na lang para hindi na ma-overwhelm si Audrey. Let me know. Like si Snow, if you're interested, 30% off. Matik yan kasi nandito ka sa webinar natin ngayon.
Si Faith nag-send na daw. Wala pa nga yung Google form ko. Nandyan ka na agad. Sige.
Yes, no.
Excited ako sa'yo, Faith, as in. Para hindi ka na maging pasaway sa intuition.
Kailangan daw yun sabi no higher guidance.
Ngayon,
Okay.
hindi pasaway. Sinunod niya na agad. Sabi ng intuition ko, mag-send na ako ng payment. Ayan,
Amen.
nag-send na siya. For Miss No, yung mga kagaya po ni Miss No na ang gusto nila naman is private reading. Ayan, Olera is offering 30% off from the usual rate that they charge. So, if you want to do the reading, personal reading, kay Olera po yun. If you want to do the training, yun po yung sa akin, yung 500 pesos na down payment. Correct ba, Olera? Tama ba ang pagka-receive
Yes,
ko ng info?
Yes.
Ayan.
Yes,
So,
Miss
yun
Audrey.
siya, guys. Yun ang ating special offers, which is
Wala ba
very
tayong
exciting. Kasi, ako ay magiging classmate nyo rin, if ever, feeling ko, with, ayan. So, yun,
Yes.
guys, siguro before tayo mag-end, I think it's better if we show our faces so that, maka-group naman tayo. Or, may mga ibang questions pa ba yun? Bago tayo mag-end officially, ayan. Baka may mga habol na questions pa, if ever. Sige guys, it's your time to shine. Shy ako. Ngayon ka nahiya.
Yes. Don't
Ayan.
hesitate, my loves. Everyone, don't hesitate to add me on Facebook. I don't bite. I just eat. so, anong tawag dito? Don't hesitate to me to add on Facebook, arrange
Oo,
a
andyan na
meeting.
lang si Miss Olera. I think,
Oo.
marami dito here is very interested and curious sila. So, I think it's ideal to send all your inquiries kay Olera kasi siya talaga yung natin eh. Siya yung key person natin for this. And she can
Yes.
really accommodate everyone on a deeper level. At saka para malaman niya kung ano yung mas bagay sa inyo na if you will take the training or magpapa-reading or ganon. So, ayun.
Ngayon siguro I will also take this opportunity, no. I know that you're looking for, sige, so ipapasok natin ang profiling, of course, obviously, sa training. Ipapasok din natin kung paano maintindihan yung incarnation cross. And in line with how, and then ang gagawin kasi natin, andyan din yung design for kung paano ka kumain, kung paano yung environment mo, para ka makapag-integrate, right? Maraming aspects pa yung human design, and it's really parang malaman mo sa sarili mo, okay, dapat pala hot foods ako. Dapat pala pag kumakain ako, after ko kumain, gaganunin ko yung tiyan ko. Oh, dapat pala kapag ganito. So, makukuha nyo lahat yun, yung information na yun. Kasi it's going to be deep dive. Oo. Oo. So, for those na parang hindi, parang ayoko naman masyadong, may sarili akong concern and I want a specific answer to my concern. Now, if you have that, I think highly recommended highly recommended na mag one-on-one session, right? If you think you want to do it on your own time, then that's perfectly fine as well. You can send the email and the phone number to Miss Audrey. Pero definitely, I know this is not going to be the last. Again, everyone from Crystals and Ritual, my community as well, thank you so much. All right. Wala.
Kinakain ka na ulit ng universe.
All right. This is
Kasha
nothing.
ba dito? Wait, gusto kong mag-picturean tayo. Teka, ginagawa ko ng paraan na makikita lahat. Pero parang hindi. Wait. Ang dami natin, 26.
Grabe, guys.
So,
Sobra.
hindi. Mag-isang set muna ako ng picture. Kasi magdadalawang set tayo. Okay. Okay, show your face muna. Isang mabilis lang, please. Ayan, para Ayan. Wow, sina madam. Ngayon ko lang kayo makikita na gumagalaw. Usually, yung mga pictures lang nakikita ko sa Facebook. Amazing. Ayan. Walang webcam. Sige, okay lang. If yung mga kaya lang naman.
Thank you,
If ever.
Heidi. Thank you.
Ayan.
Thank you.
Sige guys, show your beautiful faces. Ayan, antayin natin yung iba. Si Ma'am Maria. Ma'am Maria, nawala ka. Ayan. Si Angel.
Grabe.
Oh, kaya nga, grabe. Oh, shiny, shimmering, splendid. Nasaan si Faith?
Thank you,
Ayan.
Crystalline. Ang ganda ng name mo, friend.
Kaya nga.
Diba? Gusto ko yan pag nag-reincarnate ako, friend. Angelina. Thank you, Angelina. Thank you,
Ayan.
Faith. Sige, maglabasan. Okay lang yan. Kahit ang itsura
Ayan,
natin.
Sige, ayan, go.
Kami rin ni Audrey
Mag-aano
nung
ka?
una. Ito rin kami.
Teka, may yung anak daw niya, wait. 1, 2, 3, smile! Ayan. Okay na. Feeling ko okay na. Ayun, guys. So, teka, saan ko lalagay yung ini-screenshot ko? Sa saan ko lalagay 'to? Wait. Ayan. So, mag-e-end na ba tayo? Nasaan na? Nasaan na mga katauhan? Ayan. Okay. So, yun guys, gagawin ko pala yung Google Form ngayon na after this live. And then, yung mga magde-deposit ng 500, ayan, I will make a system for everyone. Papraktisin ko na yung pagiging projector ko. Yung magbigay ng guide. Oh
Yun.
my gosh. So, alam mo,
We need-
share ko lang ha, kasi, di ba projector type ako? Sabi ko, kaya pala easily, ano ko, parang mabilis ako ma-frustrate, mabilis akong kasi yung mga ginagawa ko is for energy types. Like, alam mo, nagkukumpuni ng ginagawa yung ganito, nagpapak, nagda-drive, Whereas, a non-energy type, nararamdaman ko and naaalala ko na may times talaga na dinadala ako ng universe sa coaching, sa teaching, pero lagi kong sinasabi na, hindi ako coach type, hindi ako teacher type. Alam mo yun, parang dinedeny ko yung sarili ko on that space. Kasi I was, parang since yung centers ko is halos lahat white, so yung mga binigay na labels sa akin from child ako na ganito ako, ganyan. So inabsorb ko yun lahat without really, alam mo yun, doon ko na-absorb na hindi ako patient, na hindi ako teacher type, hindi ako coach type. So, knowing all of this, parang sabi ko, kaya pala, every time I step away and I run away from those callings, opportunities, lagi pa rin siyang bumabalik na for me to coach, to teach, to lead, na every time naaalala ko yun, lagi siyang aha moment for me na, kaya pala yung tulog ko 10 hours kasi non-energy type ako. Na kailangan ko talagang magpahinga for me to really regenerate my energy, ganyan. So, ang dami niya guys, sobrang exciting niyang aralin and it would really help you reach your full potential, I would say. So, ayun, ako learning pa rin ako. So, yun, excited ako for everyone. Ayan. Ayun. So, paano mag-end live? Hindi ako marunong mag-end live.